Well, welcome back to Dogs FPV. Today is July the 5th. This will be the second attempt of taking the Titan HD system out with the new DJI goggles. The first time I went out, wasn't super impressed. Did a little bit of working on some settings and things. We'll see how this goes. So go ahead and get started and get a flight out here and see what it looks like. Thanks.
Cowboy.
Well, I'm packing up my game and I'ma head out west, where real women come equipped with scripts and fake press. Find a nest in the hills, chill like Flint. Buy an old drop top, find a spot to pimp. Then I'm a kid, rock it up and down your block with a bottle of scotch and watch lots of crotch. Buy a yacht with a flag saying chillin' the most. Then rock that bitch, jumping down the coast. Give a toast to the sun, drink with the stars. Get thrown in the mix and tossed out of bars. Sip the Tijuana, I wanna roam. Find Old Town, telling rules and come back home. Start an escort service for all the right reasons, and set up shop at the top of Four Seasons. Kid rockin', I'm the real McCoy, and I'm headed out west, sucker, because I wanna be a cowboy, baby.
With a top left back and the sunshine shining.
Cowboy, baby.
West Coast chillin' with the booms
I wanna be a cowboy, baby.
riding at night 'cause I sleep all day.
Cowboy, baby.
I can smell a dick from a mile away.
I bet you'll hear my whistle blowing when my train rolls in. It goes like dust in the